Hello, I think I want to do something now for everyone out there that wants to learn programming, that want to learn Python like that. So what I will do now is I'll be updating every day on Python programming. We'll be taking it topic by topic every day on that, and you see everything on my WhatsApp status. And I'm going to leave a link on it whereby you can read more on it. And for that, that's what I'll start doing now. And also, what I will do today is I'm going to teach you how to set up your Python environments on your Android devices. Yeah, so if you have Android devices, you are good to go. So I'm going to teach you what you need to do, the app you need to install, all the things you need to install to get started in Python programming. So let's get started with today's own. There's no time to waste, no time to joke about anything again. So let's get started with our Python programming, and let's see the list of apps that we are going to be using for this class. Install the app, get the environment ready, and you know we are good to go with that. Let's get started.